Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about maths worksheet for nursery classes. So let's start the video. So friends, according to nursery syllabus, some schools teach nursery kids numbers from 1 to 20 or some schools teach them numbers from 1 to 50. Here I want to say one thing to nursery parents that don't give them so much tax means to learn all numbers at a time. And one more thing, please subscribe my channel so that you can get an idea what to teach and how to teach nursery kids at home before going to school. First, you should make them write the numbers from 1 to 5, then 6 to 10, then 11 to 15, and then 15 to 20. In this process, it's easy for them, and if we will give them small tasks. So here in this video we will discuss about what worksheets can be given nursery kids based upon the numbers from 1 to 5. Here are some given worksheet numbers tracing from 1 to 5. We can give them like this worksheet so that they can trace the numbers from 1 to 5 over the dotted lines, and many times they will write number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here another boxes also like trace the numbers. Here they will write in the given boxes numbers from 1 to 5. In this process they will trace the number over the dotted lines and they will write the numbers from 1 to 5. Here another boxes we can give in after writing the numbers from 1 to 5. The here count and match. Here are some given dots in the boxes and here are some given numbers. So they will count how many dots are in each boxes and they will match according to match with the same number according to the given dots. For example, here in the first box, how many dots are here? Here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dots are here. So they will match with the number 5. Similarly, in the second box, how many dots are here? There are 3 dots. So they will match with the number 3. In this way, they can do this worksheet. Now see another worksheet we can give in count and circle. Count and circle. Here in this worksheet, they will count how many objects are there in each line and they will circle here according to the given object. For example, in first line, how many objects are here? Here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 objects are here. So they will circle with the number 5. Similarly, here are 2 ice creams. So they will circle upon number 2. In this way, they can do this worksheet count and circle. We can give them like this. Here, another same worksheet I have given here. Count and circle. Here are some objects. Here are some given numbers. The kids will count how many objects are here and they will circle according to the given objects. For example, in first line, how many kites are here? 1, 2, 3. 3 kites are here. So the kids will circle at number 3. How many faces are here? 2 faces. So they will circle upon number 2. In this way, they will do the given worksheet and they will recognize the numbers. They will identify the numbers from 1 to 5. And here are also same worksheet count and circle. The kids will count how many objects are here and they will circle at the number according to the given object. Count and color. Another worksheet I have given here. Count and color. Here are some numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and here are some objects. So here the kids will color the object according to the given number. In the first line, here is 1, the number is 1, the kids will color the only one object. In the second line, the number is 2, the kids will color only two objects, two cars. Here in the third line, the number is 3, the kids will color 3 objects. Here the number is 4, the kids will color 4 objects. Here the number is 5, the kids will color 5 objects. In this way, they will do the worksheet. Come to another worksheet, count and color, same as previous worksheet. They will count what number is this, 3. So they will color according to the given number. Here is 1, they will color only one object. Here number is 4, the kids will color 4 objects. In this way, they can do the given worksheet. Another worksheet, count and write, we can give to them. Here are some objects. The kids have to count how many objects are here, and they have to write here the number of objects. For example, in first line, how many objects are here? 1, 2, 3. So they will write here the number 3. And how many objects are here in the second line? 4 objects. They will write here the number 4. How many objects are here? 2 objects. So they will write here the number 2. In this way, they can do the worksheet for better identification. Now come to another worksheet, same as previous worksheet, count and write. They will count how many objects are given, and they will write the number according to the given objects on each line. Here are, for example, how many bags are here? 1, 2, 3. So they will write here the number 3. Clear? In this way, they will do the worksheet. And here also count and write. How many hearts are here? 3 hearts. So they will write here 3. How many stars is here? Only 1. They will write here 1. How many headphones are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. They will write here 4. In this way, they will do the worksheet, count and write. Here, and missing numbers from 1 to 5. They will count forward numbers 1 to 5, and they will write which number is missing in between the number 1 to 3. In the second line, which number comes after the number 4? 5 comes, so 5 comes after the number 4, so they will write here the number 5. In last object, last question, here the number is missing in between 2 and 4. So you will ask them which number comes in between 2 and 4. They will answer the number 3. So they will write here the number 3. And another exam worksheet, missing numbers from 1 to 5. So they can count forward numbers from 1 to 5, and they will write here the missing numbers. For example, in first line, which number comes here? 1, 2, 3 are given, and you will ask them which number comes after the number 3. So they will say the number 4, and they will write here the number 4. And you can ask them which number comes the number after 4. They will say 5. So they will write here the number 5. In this way, they can count forward counting, and they will write here the missing numbers. Clear? Now, another worksheet. Here also, here the kids will also count forward counting, and they will write the missing numbers in between 1 and 3 and 3 and 5. Okay, you can ask them which number comes in between 1 and 3, and which number comes in between 3 and 5. Then finally, writing numbers from 1 to 5. The kids have to write numbers from 1 to 5 in the last question. In this way, we can make them understand the numbers from 1 to 5, how to write, how to learn, how to recognize, and how to identify with the pictures, how to count the pictures. Clear? So friends, we're done for today. In next video, I will come with few more worksheets based upon the numbers from 6 to 10. Please like, share, and subscribe this channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.